Well, here we are in our beach tent. We've got this funny little tent. I don't know if you can really see it, but anyway, just to bring some shade, and we're here at Mira Beach. So, you know, we were going to film somewhere else, but we decided to capture an event that's going on locally, just in case anyone's interested in something different. But so there you go. Well, it's a windy day here we're on the beach. We decided to come out after a long time of not going anywhere. There seems to be some kind of event going on, so Bab's down on the beach, and I decided to come up and see if there's anything worth filming, because he thought that we should film it anyway. I usually like to stay away from crowds, but let's check it out anyway. I don't know if you can hear me. It's pretty windy. This is Mira Beach. So, I don't know, it sounds like a motorcycle thing. I don't know what it is. Anyway, let's go and see what the noise is. The swapway goes on for a long time. I'm a little bit tired today, but I just want to see what all this racket is about. Sounds like a motorcycle race. I mean, it's really weird, but I don't see any signs of anything. I just hear the noise. There we go up ahead. I don't know. I don't see anything though. Maybe it's way out in the distance. Well, here's the event. Down here, is it some kind of boat race? I'm not sure, because we were driving and oh, it's a water skiing, jet skiing thing. I see. It's too bad there's so much traffic here. Otherwise it would be nice to just walk around and see things in a calm way. Everybody's parked all along the sidewalks. Anyway, it's going to be very noisy. I'm not sure how much I can speak. The music's very noisy. Again, this isn't my kind of thing, but Bab thought it would be a good idea to film it, so we have a wide variety of content for people who like this kind of stuff. I like the peace and quiet of nature myself, the sound of the ocean. Then I'm probably a little bit different.
Depois da parada é tempo dos pilotos recolherem ao pontão da
Let's go over here. I'm going to stand on that bench there and see if I can film
para o início da terceira manga ski HPO.
Alright, there we go. Looks like they're over there somewhere in the distance. Still can't see because it's actually quite far off. I haven't really seen this here before. Looks like they're having more and more events here at the Mira Beach area. Look at all the people. Look at that, there's quite a lot of people. I wonder if it's an event that's being filmed or something. It probably is. Looks like they've got some bands over there. TV or whatever. Like I said, we didn't know this was even here today. Otherwise, quite frankly, we probably wouldn't have come because there's so much traffic, so much noise. This area is called the Barinha. This body of water here, which is really nice. It's a lagoon. When I was a kid, we used to come on holiday to Portugal. We used to swim here. But now it doesn't seem like they allow swimming anymore for some reason. It's a shame. Well, I don't know if they're going to do anything yet, but let's see. Music, but no action. People here selling stuff, balloons and flags and all kinds of stuff. Okay, it sounds like they're actually going to go now. Nothing. Oh, there they go, there they go. That's as close as I can zoom in because they're very far off. They just kind of go around there and that's it. What's the objective? Is it just to race round and round? Well, I guess they know what they're doing, even if I'm not sure. So that's kind of it, I guess. Right? Who would have thought this would happen here? When I was a kid, this was all very natural looking. There was nothing like this. Even a lot of these buildings weren't here.
Essa contagem dos 15 minutos para a terceira e última manga de ski. A QP1, a Coq Hansen está ali entre os 4 primeiros. Não saiu lá nada bem, parece-me Quinten Bosch que aparece aqui na frente da corrida.
Oh, here we go, look, it's coming around.
Não é nada de Quinten Bosch, é o francês. O seu irmão Mika segue ali na segunda posição. Foi campeão do mundo em 2023, na segunda posição, a número 77, o dinamarquês, a número 66, está aqui, Quinten Bosch, o campeão do mundo 2024, segue ali na quinta posição, número 1, não tinha visto passar, está nas costas do suíço,
the only thing I don't like about it is the noise. Noise and potential pollution in the water.
Classificação da corrida, nesta altura é 19º, 20 esta prova é a terceira e última corrida.
Well, no, I don't know if that's the end or not, but anyway, you get the idea. I'm not sure what it's saying. I understand some parts of it, but it's very loud, so because my Portuguese isn't perfect, it's difficult for me to catch some of the meaning of what's going on.
Tomás Bento, número 3, é sexto. Está ali nas costas de Jeremy Porret, número 96.
Oh, coming round again. Here he comes.
O top 10 para já, as coisas a correrem da melhor forma. Claramente, aqui vamos Morgan, na primeira posição,
video. Trying to capture this for anyone who's interested in this kind of thing. So there you have it. Probably enough now, and I don't know when it's going to be finished. Chances are you'll see it on TV. Well, looks like all the poor ducks have gone, chased away somewhere. Well, here we go again, round and round. So who's winning? I don't know who's winning. Now this is the kind of thing I like more. So anyway, it's incredibly noisy, so if you don't like the kind of thing like this kind of thing, during the tourist season I have a feeling they're going to be doing more events and things here, so if you just want peace and quiet, then you'll have to make sure you come on a day when there aren't going to be any events or whatever. It's really noisy, my ears are ringing. Anyway, kind of moving away from the noise a little bit, but you can see just how much traffic there is. So it's kind of tiring. Anyway, try and cross, go back to the noise of the ocean. That's my kind of noise. Nature, healing, ocean sounds. Actually, the sea's quite rough today, which, you know, I mean, the Atlantic usually is, but some days it's a little bit calmer than others. I don't know when surfing season is. I'm assuming it's in the August. I mean, the autumn, which used to be in, I mean, it is in Hawaii where I used to live, so I expect it's the same here, but I'm not sure. I think this is new. I don't remember seeing this. It's kind of nice, the old fishing community, and then people planting and harvesting. Nice. See, anyway, you can still hear it. Just over there, so I'm just walking away more towards the ocean here. Nice sea breeze here. It felt a little bit polluted, or smelled a little bit polluted over there, which isn't surprising. I'm assuming those things are just use normal fossil fuels and not electric. So, yeah. Oh well, whatever. Wouldn't be so bad if they were electric. I wonder if they'd make so much noise as well. I don't know. So it's kind of an unexpected video, really, because we weren't planning on filming that. But we were thinking of something completely different. But since this is going on, we decided to just put it in the video. Variety. Just walk up here. Goodness, it's actually been so hot. This feels like walking in a desert right now. This kind of holds the heat here a little bit. But this is nice, look. Bamboos on either side help keep it cool, which is beautiful. But it's a long walk up to the top. And I'm not feeling as fit as I was before because there's been so much to do at the house. Dad's still in the hospital. He's been there for longer than a month now. and we're not sure if he's even gonna survive this time. He's in very, very bad condition, pretty much on life support really. So we'll see. I mean, even when he comes out, he's gonna have to go into care because he needs so much. To keep him alive, he needs help with everything. Plus he's got dementia now. So, hard times. Finally at the top. It's windy, so I don't know if you can hear me. Perhaps over there, way over there, in the distance. I hope he's still there. He's gone for quite a while. Hope he's not looking for me. So yeah, Dad's in hospital and they're looking, these social services are looking for a place for him. That's kind of how it works here. The private nursing homes are too expensive, so you have to go with the state nursing homes, and they are all full, just all over the country. It's insane. So he's kind of on a waiting list. And in the meantime, he's in hospital. We're visiting him tomorrow. And so if you're retiring here, you need to look into these things, because it's a very difficult situation right now with the public system, both the healthcare and, you know, the homes, you know, nursing homes or just hospice care or whatever their equivalent is here. It's just completely full up, you know? So if you're an older person and you're moving to Portugal or whatever, then you probably need to prepare to have enough money to potentially pay for private care, because that's the reality. Otherwise you don't know if you'll get any care whatsoever, the way things are going. But anyway, that aside, we just keep going, don't we? Best we can. Some seagulls down there. Oh, it's just so much nicer to be away from the man-made noises. Oh, what a gift, what a gift. Wind's kind of died down a little bit. Keep my hat on. Kept getting blown away. I bought this in one of the Chinese shops for about €7. It's a paper hat or something. So it doesn't have any string kind of thing to tie it. Some kind of tie. So it gets blown away. But anyway, I need something because it's actually quite, I don't want to get too much sun on my skin. This doesn't work for my skin type. It's kind of like a light up ahead, look at that. Must be ocean, mist, beautiful. You know, these man-made activities, events, whatever, actually create so much stress in people. I don't think people know, just by being around the noise, just how stressful it is. So it's so nice to get away, just come back here to the nature. Even if there are a lot of people here, at least it's just the sound of nature, you know, the water, the ocean, the birds, which is what I feel brings true relaxation and healing from the noise and the stress of the world. Tensions are so prevalent today, aren't they? You know what I'd love to see more of? Artists in these places. Just artists. People who are trying to do things in harmony with nature. The nature of around us and the nature of humanity, true nature. But anyway, maybe one day. Maybe one day. Not yet. I think people are still, not enough people are interested in those things here. It'd be really nice, wouldn't it? See people painting, little art colony, museum, art galleries. Yeah, that would be nice. Look at this, it's so crowded, my goodness. We kind of moved further along away from the crowd. There's Bob over there, so here we are. I found him. The watermelon, delicious on the beach. Well, we are heading away from the beach, Mira Beach now, and certainly a very crowded day. We can't hear those water sports, whatever those things are called now. I forgot. We can't hear them anymore, so that must have ended a while ago. Don't know who won or what happened, but you could probably look it up online and find out. So yeah, it's actually got quite cool on the beach after a while. So we're heading back. It's about almost 7 o'clock now, I think. But it was nice just to sit on the beach and relax for a while and just get some nice ocean air. I got a little bit of an allergy thing in my lungs because we're using the fan where we're in my parents' house in the room, and that, there's a little bit of mold on the walls, and that always seems to get my allergies going. So this really helped. So anyway, until next time, let's see what else we can film. We can go somewhere different, then we'll film that as well. So take care. Bye.